It Takes Three. This is a tune that I've already done with Aki, so we talked a little bit about it on camera. We'll get a chance to play it all together as an ensemble the next time we get together. I do want to go through It Takes Three. It's been quite a long time. Our last gig that we did together with this was 2009, our first and only gig playing this tune. I think we might have done a Hummel blowout and played this tune as well.
We did.
Okay. The only thing I'm going to change is I'm going to do it in 3 octaves. So I've got my part. We're on a B-flat harmonica for the student. This is It Takes Three. I'm going to go, and then you play. And what'll happen is you'll play it again as Aki goes. So let's go from the top. I'll start it. 1, 2, 3. Just to add a little bit of sparkle to it. I tried doing harmonies. Didn't quite work out. We'll play it one more time. 1, 2, 3. And there's
do it again. 1, 2, 3. I kind of like it. What harmony is that?
4-chord.
It's the 4-chord.
1, 4, 1, which is common what a band plays there. Anyways.
Right, that's what the band plays.
Yeah.
I think it's a keeper.
All right, we'll make that change. The creative process right in front of you. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Now I like the root a little better. 1, 2, 3. And then the rest, so far, is going to be pretty straightforward. Then I'm going to stop it. I'll start it.
Kind of fast.
I'll slow it down a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Maybe a little slower.
But you play the first one by yourself.
You got it. That's right. Okay. 1, 2, just. Oop. Can't talk and play at the same time. I'm working on that. Yeah, and what I'll do is I'll play Aki's part.
Okay.
One more time. Now this is me. Then Aki. Then my part. Get ready to respond. Aki. Then we go into our harmony part. Oh, almost. We got. It's all coming back. It's all coming back. The first one is. Then you're going to play the 3-draw.
3-draw?
Yeah, so this part goes before what you're talking about.
Okay.
So just wait for it. This is me. We're going to play 4-blow. Yeah, and just play 4-blow. Without the 1-blow in there.
4-blow?
4-blow, yeah. Yeah, because Aki is going to be there on the bottom.
Okay.
And it'll clash with what he's playing. That's it. Then it goes. Then you hit the 3-draw. Then 5-draw. Yeah, that's it. I'll lead you. Here we go. 5 draw. Yeah, that's going to help lead us to our next chorus.
Okay.
Let's do it again. Four blow. 3 draw. 5 draw. Now we get to that part. And you're going to be doing, you're doing 3 draw? You are doing. And that one's going to be me. I'm going to do the fill. And then you're going to go down a half step. Then you get the fill right there. And then the last one, you go all the way to the bottom.
That's cool.
Let's try that. So you're going to go 3 half bend. That's it. So again. Sorry, I missed it. Then I fill. A little deeper now. Your fill. All the way to the bottom.
Wow, what?
On the bottom of 3.
Okay.
So you get to stay on the 3 the whole time.
Okay.
3. My fill. Half step. All the way to the bottom. We do the harmony now?
Yeah.
Get ready. 3 bend. Hey, play it again.
Where are we?
On the 1.
Okay.
On the 1, beginning of this section.
Okay.
Half step lower. All the way to the bottom. That's it. For the 5 words. Let's go there. 2, 3, 4.
One more time.
Yeah, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and so the tricky part is, in second position, it's rare to go all the way to the bottom on the 3.
Yeah.
I'd even go deeper. Yeah, A flat to A. Yeah, 2, 3, 4. That's it.
That's it.
That's our harmonies.
I forgot them already, so let's do it again.
All right. Let's go from the top. You get the second lick. I take the first one. Player 2. Aki. I play. Respond. I play. Aki. I start it. Four blow. draw. 5 draw. 3. That's it. Then deep on the 3. Get ready. Solo. That was good. You
Yeah.
got the 3s on that one.
There's still a couple of vagaries in my mind, but I get it.
Cool.